everybody, if you can tell by the image quality right now, well, if you can't tell, if you're new here, what's up? My name is Zosh. You can call me Percy Mescuddy. Most people call me Deadbeat because, you know, I only upload every once in like 6 days, it seems like. But it's getting better, I promise you, because after this, we're gonna be stepping slowly into the Vlogmas style. So I'm trying to upload like every day, or like, yeah, every day or every other day, but consistently uploading. Like, I'm gonna try my best because this is my last hoorah, man. I feel motivated to, you know, keep, like, I just wanna create content now. Like, I'm in a space right now where I'm like, all right, bro, I got my last YouTube check. It was very depressing. It was literally depressing. It was like 800 and something. Yeah, trash. But luckily for me, I have sponsors. I have things working up in line me, so I was making money elsewhere. But YouTube wise is not my main source of income. As damn, my Manscaped ads pay me more than YouTube, it seems like. Well, the last check, this one that just passed, was just garbage. But that was because I wasn't really uploading as much as I'd want to, due to like various personal reasons in my life right now. Like, I'm moving and I can't really, you know, there's a lot going on. But now that everything is settling, it's time to get back to it. But like I was stating, I am on a new camera. I'm back to being a Canon boy. I was a T3i, T4i, T5i, T7. I had so many T-something. I felt like I was TI. Yeah, I do all the TIs I had, bro. It's ridiculous. But now I'm on a Canon SO2. I was gonna get SO3, but I didn't really see the upgrade. Plus, I bought this for a deal. It came with a nifty 50, the kit lens, an 85mm, and a 75-300 bag. Dude, it came with everything for $375, son. And I sold my camera, my Sony A6100, for double that. So we are winning. It is nice. But for today's video, we're going to be throwing on the new bumper for Akira. I picked up a 09 to 11 front bumper from the homie Kevin and Vince. Vince met me up halfway in Orlando somewhere, and I got the bumper downstairs ready to get thrown on Akira. So without further ado-sies, roll that intro, pimp. So what we got cooking up is, ooh, it's bright outside. All right, there we go. I had the setting on wrong. I'm still testing out this camera stuff again with the new lens setup, but here is the bumper, the 0911. You can tell the difference. You got fog light there. You got a better looking grill, better edges. I don't know, this bumper just looks way better than this bumper. Like this, I don't know, I don't like this rounded edge stuff, but look what happened. It already had broke off, so go ahead and pop open the bonnet, remove this, and get to work on putting the new one on. And then we'll probably go like the Fred's house or something, hang out with the homies. Probably do that today. I don't know. Randy's back daily driving his RSX, so yeah, that's that. Okay, so I ran into an issue, which I should have thought beforehand, but I really didn't. I was too excited. I don't have a front grille area for the car, and there's something going on with this side, because if you can see, my fender is pushed in, so I have to like bring it back out, because there's like, this is supposed to be, I don't know, I think I gotta figure it out. I think I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna remove this clip and maybe this one, and then I gotta push this fender back out, because this is not lining up at all, and I think this is bent. Like, I don't know, bro. This whole, yeah, just need FD2 front already. But yeah, look at that Canon quality, son. Sorry for the wind noise. It's actually really windy right now. It's sunny outside, but it's really windy. It feels really good. But unfortunately, this is how your boy's gonna be rocking until I can go find a front bumper, not bumper, but a grill, upper support for this, and possibly if I can get a new, I do want a new fender, but bracket. I just got to fix this side. It kind of sucks that this, you know, buying a used car, you got to figure out what you're getting yourself into. But I'm right now going to head to Uncle Tony's junkyard, see what they got on the yard again for this. I didn't really, last time I went, I looked for bumpers, but I could probably salvage something like a grill or something. So I'm going to go test my chances. Hopefully I can find something. If not, oh well, keep the vlog, keep the cameras rolling, playboy. Alright, so we're at Uncle Tony's. Let's see if we can find fender brackets, something. They close in 30 minutes, so try to find something quick. Whew. It's like the best yard we got, man. This is absolutely the best yard we have. Alright, let's see what we can find. We just need a front bumper, need the grill piece, things of that nature. Let's see what we can find. Alright. He gave me a piece of paper with all the stuff on it. We got Preludes. Good stuff out here. Just gotta look for them. This is a Civic, it looks like. Oh, TSX. Holy shit, that Accord got flat. Alright, so row 103 and 112. 101, 103, 112. I don't know the hell row I'm in right now. We gonna find you. We gonna find you. You around this mother somewhere, son. Found one, but it's clapped, so keep going. And I think this is an 08. No, this is definitely an 09 because it got the thing. Well, I don't know, to be honest, but can't use it. Let's keep going. Found another one, and it's clapped. Big clapped. So gotta keep moving. Let's see if we can find. I think that was only two. There's an EG hatch over there. Oh, there's another one right there. Let's see. Oh yeah, this thing is clapped. Back bumpers are a dime a dozen. Finding the front. Nope. Yep, found another one. I think this one's also clapped. This is an 08. Yep. This one's an 08 because the bumper is right there. So that's not gonna work. And I think that's it. Shit. Found another one, but this is the 07. So this won't work. I had a manual swap. Everything. Alright, down to my last two. This one doesn't work. And let's see, and that one's front is clapped. Yikes. Yikes. That's it though. Inside. Bumper? I think the bumper's inside. I don't know what year this is. Let's check the front. I don't know. Subframe's out. That's cool. Somebody want a subframe for a Civic? There you go, pimp. Oh, yeah, aftermarket tails on it too. Automatic. Yep. And then the other one was right here. Yeah. How does that front look different? Weird. Well, that's it. Junkyard was a bust. Oh well. At least we tried. Let's get up out of here. What we got here? C6? Man. Got the good bumpers. Oh, it was automatic. There weren't any EG parts. Trunk is in good condition. Nobody needs a trunk. rusty. That's on the body, but not the trunk. So yeah, all right. Well, that's everything officially. So let's get the hell out of here. Well, we are back home with my broken. Oh wow, it's pushed up. There we go. So, like you seen, no luck at the junkyard, but that Zosh MFG banner though. Yeah. So today was kind of a bust. Couldn't install the front bumper, unfortunately, because I don't have the things to do so. Oh, I gotta call my girlfriend. Oh, I forgot. So, I guess that's gonna be wraps for today's video. I'm gonna start this whole daily vlogging thing out, boo boo. I'm about to become a daily vlogger.
Okay, and vlog at the house when you're...
I'm gonna do my MTV Cribs thing. Yeah, but as far as this video is concerned, yeah, we got mad work to do. But all in all, thank y'all for watching this video. Sucks that I couldn't get the bumper on. That's very unfortunate because I gotta order some things, which I have. Today, I ordered a bunch of stuff for the new camera. I ordered a 10-18 lens. I ordered a Rode Video Mic Go microphone. I ordered some not ND filters, but like hoods. Bonnets for the lens.
Come on, children. Get inside.
Man, let me tell you what my cat did the other day. My cat Chosen doo-doo on my head, bruh. Like, Chosen. It was right next to my head. I'm still upset about that. When he did that? Monday? What today is? He did that yesterday.
Yeah, Monday.
This cat pooped on my head. But all in all, just know your daily up, your boy's about to be daily vlogging for the best. So if content kind of be ass some days, oh well, I gotta get paid. We're gonna be daily vlogging, son. We aiming for the moon. Back to I pledge allegiance to the bag.
What?
I'm gonna need to. We'll need to. I'm about to pimp you out for some views.
Okay.
By pimp you out.
You want me to twerk?
All right, let me go ahead and end this video. I wish. Don't try me, woman.
You want me to pull the Megan Thee Stallion, babe?
You haven't even done that for me yet. I want to see the Megan Thee Stallion stuff. Do it right now.
They call me Miss No Knees.
See, you can't be saying that to me because I end up leaving your ass on the streets. Shout out to Future. Toxic Boy. City Boys up 2 million. Miss No Knees gonna be Miss Left Behind.
That's okay because Miss No Knees gonna be engaged in 1, 2, 3.
Who gonna ask you to marry you?
I'm wifey material.
Just how are you wifey material? Please explain.
Because I am a boss house woman.
And what do you do?
I do everything.
Explain.
I'm a hardworking person.
True. No, cause you slack a lot. You haven't
what?
You haven't done your college work yet.
I've been on the house stuff, and I've been dealing with work and the business, and with you.
Me?
Yes, you. I'm a great person. I'm very intelligent. I can cook. I can dance.
Dancing don't make you wifey type.
Yes, it does.
That make you for the streets.
Well, Spanish girls, you know.
Spanish girl be busting it wide open.
That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about salsa, merengue, bachata.
All I know is left cheek, right cheek, left cheek. Hey, y'all done seen us BS. We're gonna shoot a podcast. We shot one a long time ago. Episode 4 or 3 of the podcast. I can't remember. I think episode 4. But came out garbage. So once we get settled in a new place, we have the podcast room / her esthetician room set up. Then we can get that going. But for now, hope you guys enjoyed this day. If you like the video, leave a like on the video. If you did not like the video, then leave a dislike on the video. Oh no, I don't give a fuck. And I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.